May 31st. This is a special edition of Song Premiere on Tuesday, known as Song Premiere on Friday, SPOF. It couldn't wait. My name's Stuart Stotts, and breaking news. The jury came in, said they were done, read the indictments one by one. The moment loomed historically large. To every indictment they said guilty as charged. You get 34 counts, and what do you see? First felon president in history. Preaching lies, preaching hate. Now he can't even vote in his home state. He's a felon. He was born one day in a place called Queens to a family of considerable means. Worked real hard, worked some more. He was a millionaire by the age of 4. You load 34 counts, what do you get from a business made out of graft and debt? St. Peter, if you call him, watch your back. He'll try to get by with alternative facts. Well, the prosecution said they didn't need bail, but we'll hope for ankle bracelets and jail. Don't forget, please take note, the count that matters is when we vote. You got 34 counts, what do you see? First felon president in history. St. Peter, if you meet him at the Golden Gate, send him back to his home state, where he can't vote. There is good news sometimes, whatever it means in the big picture. Thanks for being here.